This is us in beautiful Canmore, Alberta with a pink inflatable donut floaty. To explain how it is that we got to this epic mountain view, we'll have to backtrack a bit and explain. Something awesome is about to happen. I'll be surprising my girlfriend of 10 years with a proposal and she'll have no idea it's happening because we're technically out here for a job. We're photographers and filmmakers, by the way, from Toronto, Canada, and this is what we do for a living. This is how I put my backlights on.
Videos and stuff like that.
This is my cousin Tom. We've known each other our whole lives. He's been living in Alberta for the last 4 years or so, and I'm planning to stay with him and do some epic sightseeing / vlogging while we're there. But he doesn't know the side plan for the proposal just yet.
But I have a bunch of videos planned for like Alberta regardless. And I haven't told anybody this yet, so it's just gonna be you, alright? Just between me and you.
Hey, what's up?
Are you ready?
Yeah, what's up?
So I wanna propose to Monica. Right?
And just like that, the game was on. But making it all happen without her realizing it was going to be the hard part. So here's what happens next.
If I'm gonna do it, I wanna do it in Alberta, right? Probably like within the sceneries.
100%. And we'll get times when we're by ourselves and talking. Okay, fine, let's talk now.
If I were to do it, I would have to buy a ring like today for it to be ready for then. You know what I mean?
So we made it from Edmonton to Calgary, YYC to be exact, and we're just waiting for Alex's cousin Tom to get here.
Like I said, I'll be vlogging the whole thing, right? Like the whole trip is gonna be vlogged, but like the homie on the website was like, yeah, it should be there probably around August 6th in that case. Hold on, my phone's at 3%.
Find out when it does come.
2 flights, 1 layover, buying a new lens for our camera, no biggie, visiting the Calgary Tower, looking off the edge, taking banger Instagram selfies. Follow us, by the way. Having a good time and prepping for the job we were hired to do out there. The ring is expected for shipment from the States, but of course we're still making videos, taking photos, and having cameras around us while making these adventure vlogs. This is normal for us, so she won't expect anything during the actual proposal, right?
I
find it really interesting because they have these garbages specifically here, I guess, for the animals, eh? So they can't get in.
Whoa, true thing.
Like before I was like, oh, how do you open it?
would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
High fives all around, climbing mountains, almost falling off the edge. Eating blueberries at the very top, all while Loki's stressing about the delivery of this package.
And you do things too.
Day 3 and 4, I'm left a voicemail letting me know that I need to fill out some paperwork for the ring to cross the border. Great. This is all while we're actually shooting the main project that we were hired out here to do.
When I'm dry.
So update on the shoot so far. It's going great. We're hitting up all these locations really quickly. What do you think?
It's good. Learning a few things.
You're learning a few things? Yeah?
Except for me, I'm perfect. I already know everything.
Yeah. We both are learning off Monica.
Day 5. Still no ring, so getting nervous at this point, thinking it won't make it in time. We go for an overnight stay in a cabin.
See the sun in the sky. We feel it all.
Trying to put out a fire, I guess, because apparently there's a fire on the other side of the mountain.
Take flight. It doesn't matter where we're going.
We do some last minute adventuring, check out some hot springs. It smells like eggs, but we have a good time. Coffee break.
I like
The views, I don't know, it's all over, it's all over Instagram.
It's all over Instagram. Gotta go.
Visit Lake Louise and do some kayaking on the ice blue waters.
The water here is like insanely blue. It's super cold, like you can't swim in this. I mean, you could if you wanna get hypothermia.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I just still can't believe it's real.
I always ask if you had fun. It's our last day in Alberta, and bless the heavens, I get a notification saying the ring is available for pickup. But picking up this package without Monica noticing is going to be an issue. So we head out to the grocery store where we can have some alone time.
We're gonna go in the evening. We're gonna get a snack, then we're gonna go to the lake, use my floaty, Take gold shot.
I pretend to go to the bathroom where I call her mom and dad separately, letting them know what's going to happen. Managed to FaceTime her dad and audio call her mom. Hi, Margie. She doesn't know, but I'm hiding in the bathroom, so I just want to let you know. Do you give me permission? Okay, I gotta go. Okay, bye. The best thing is that there was actually a guy in the stall the entire time.
Normally you're used to Alex doing all this, carrying the camera around. Yeah, I'm about to go pick up a package from FedEx location. The package is for Alex, and he has a little bit of a surprise in store, which I'm excited for.
Monica thinks we're doing groceries for a final lunch and to visit a nearby lake.
I'm happy you guys came. I'm really stoked and really happy and how everything worked out, the whole adventure. I wish we could have done more. There's so much to do here. That's right.
And just like that, we're back in our private little spot with the donut floaty.
It's not easy, is it? It looks awesome though. Yeah, he's having fun on this last day. Enjoy it while it lasts. Even in the hardest times. So we're just enjoying the last bits of our time here. I think we have like 6 hours until our flight.
Now the game plan was for us to pretend to take a drone boomerang in an area that we were actually able to fly in. So this is the moment where it's all about to happen. If something goes wrong now, then this would all have been for nothing. I pretend to fly and adjust the settings on the camera and go down on one knee. The ring reveal happens, and Monica goes into shock. She thought I was pranking her. But eventually, she says yes.
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again.
Oh, is that a cigarette?
We actually pulled it off, like actually. And looking back at the journey, it was all worth it. All the stress aside. Because what's the point of life if you can't look back at some of the most biggest moments and memories captured? Life for me is being able to look back at the memories and feel exactly what you felt in that moment in time. The excitement, the surprise, the nervousness. What's left to show you guys is basically the aftermath.
Look, she's bashful. That was the hardest thing to plan ever. To make it happen here, that was the hardest thing.
How did it happen?
Well, this is what you wanted, isn't it?
Yeah, but how did it happen?
Well, it happened.
But how? Can you tell me? I still feel like I'm
Well,
moving.
you'll see it in the video.
You've got to be kidding me.
Live today, I had to give Tom
Where did I go? Where did I go?
You got beer out of it?
Yeah, to get beer.
I'm just in shock right now.
Thing is with me, like once I go blackout, I don't know what I'm saying. So like, I feel like it would slip out and be like, every thought I had to like think before a conversation.
Yeah,
Every
same.
like, okay, what am I gonna say so I don't comes out? Because I said celebration like a couple times,
yeah.
and I'm like,
There must be an easy way to do this.
this is the easiest. It's going. Imagine there's like a secret plug. Just like,